Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will see your energies for the month of June 2021 and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And I'll be picking up your past, present and future energies in regards with love. Alright, let's get started for my Capricorns for the month of June 2021. Capricorn love energies for June 2021. What is going on? And if you want to book an appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. So the overall energy is 5 of Cups. Strong energies of stress and might be in relation with your family. This is the 10 of Cups and the Ace of Cups energies over here. Strong energies where there was something new, might be a family thing, but now it's no more. There is something like that, some strong energies of that, but we will clarify what exactly this is. Okay, why the 5 of Cups is there in the overall energy for my Capricorns? Why the 5 of Cups is here, please? The High Priestess, the Tower again. Okay, so you are going through some Tower moments, and the Devil. Wow, Tower and Devil came in your reading as well. All right, I'm seeing strong major arcanas as well. See the High Priestess, the Tower and the Devil all coming up straight in your reading. So you might be going through a strong process of leaving some bad things behind, because this is a bad situation. This is a traumatic situation which happened in your life. It can be a sudden and unexpected change. It can be an addiction of something. You want to end that addiction. You know, we want to end the bad things around us, and we are working on that. But there is a situation where what I feel that you it's really hard for you to come out. The overall energy is like might be you are dealing with a person, because the Devil card is here. You might be dealing with a person with whom you have strong karmic relationships, like the old karmic relationship, and that is why this thing is literally taking long time to end this relationship. Or if you are in this relationship, it has become very traumatic and it can be very abusive as well. So you are staying in such kind of a relationship. So the overall energy not good at this time. Let's see why the Tower energy is in the past. Okay, so we have the past energies as the Tower, 4 of Cups and 6 of Cups. Let's see why the Tower energy is there. What happened in the past? King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and Death. Wow. Okay. Starting of a new relationship and the ending of that relationship as well. You found a person that he or she is a very mature. You know, they are stable, they are mature, financially independent, and you've thought that this is a very beautiful beginning. But once you just started talking with this person, once you just started going on with this person, it was like you have actually invited the ending towards you, the losses, the problems just in front of you, just by just talking to this person, because of strong karmic bond with this person. And that is why whatever is happening, it had to happen. Whatever happened in your life with regards with this person, you were meant to meet each other. It was meant. Okay, why the 4 of Cups is there in the past energies? 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so you might have also been married to this person, and yeah, see, after getting married or after getting into a strong relationship, there's that he or she left you out in the cold, and it was like you offered them love and there was a rejection, there was trickery, there was betrayal involved in this situation. Strong negative energies, but your energies are not negative. You always thought that it will be better. You can change the situations. If you have understood that there is some kind of a cycle, there is some kind of a karmic bond between us, we can end it, we can work on it, because you have met this person, might be in your dreams, and this person might be your past person, and you wanted to start again. So it can be that you have already broken up with this person from the past only. You already broken up with them, and then again they came back, and again the same kind of a thing happening. You have already given them a second chance, which I'm seeing over here. Yeah, see, after giving them a second chance, it's like inviting the wrong situations towards you. You have added the baggage, adding baggage in your life continuously. And let's see what else. Yeah, see, strong misery, strong sadness. And once you just went back to the past, it started welcoming all the negative. And in fact, after this person have come in your life, you have actually started to attract the negativities around you. You have stopped thinking what positive we can find in the situation. That is what the overall energy, the past energies are coming up for you. The present energies are the Devil, King of Swords, and the Sun. Why the Devil is here? The Lovers. See, the Devil and the Lover, strong karmic bond plus strong attraction towards each other. You know that things are not right between both of you, but still that strong affection and physical attachment is there, that there is like you're not able to leave this person. Something is there strongly. Knight of Cups. See, you might also see that this person is coming up in your life with always a good proposal. This person is handsome, romantic, and such a good person with whom you can share your life with, something like that. But still, when you want to continue the relationship, it goes all in vain. What else do we have? This can be a new relationship as well. Strong relationship with a person, and other than your karmic bond, there is someone else also you might also be talking to. Okay, let's see why the King of Swords is here in the present situation. The Sun and the Knight of Swords. Okay, sudden changes suddenly coming and moving of people. You are tired of, you are sick of all this things happening so fast, because being a Capricorn, you do not expect changes in your life a lot. You want changes, okay, fine, changes are inevitable, but you are not prepared for so much of changes all of a sudden, and that is why the changes are coming and going. That is what is happening around you. Why the Sun is here in the present energies? Three of Cups. Okay, so yes, at least you have something. Maybe you have good friends, you have good family with whom you can share your problems, with whom you can share your experiences, you want to talk to, you can hang out. And with the Seven of Wands, you have started that strong energy, because of the Capricorn, they have an energy of taking the best care of themselves. When you are standing up for yourself, so whatever you did, you always stood up for yourself. That is something which you are always good at, and you are still doing that situation. So because of that, sudden changes in your life in the past, because of not even getting a good sleep during nights, and again there are some changes in your present, but just be ready for some more changes, okay, I would say, because yes, you need some rest, I know that, but good changes are coming your way. Okay, so let's see why the Four of Rods, King of Rods, and Page of Swords is there in the future energies. Four of Wands. Why Four of Wands is here? See, Nine of Pentacles. Independent, strong woman, strong lady. You are a strong man as well. So you are a very calm person who loves to be independent and who wants a very beautiful life ahead. You do not want anyone to just try to change you. Okay, you are ready to change. You always are ready to change for anyone if you love, but it's not important that it's always I want to change, I have to change. No, it's not like that with you when it comes to Capricorn. Yeah, what else? We have the Justice and we have the Moon. Wow. Okay, so yeah, you always try to keep a balance. During nights your energies might drain away, so try to sleep early in the night, and because it can be much better for you. Okay, strong water energy is coming up. Pisces, Libra, Pisces and Cancer energies. Justice, Libra energy. Okay, might be dealing with these signs. See, in the coming future, I see that you are more into something balanced. You might be single for a little bit of time, but you are balancing yourself. You are trying to find the inner peace in you. You are not there just waiting for someone to come in your life. You are, see, if you will wait for someone, it's not like someone will just come running towards you. No, it all happens when the universe wants that to happen. Okay, so let's see why the King of Rods is here in the future energies. Nine of Swords and Four of Pentacles. And what else? Two of Cups. Okay, so I think that somebody is coming towards you. This person can be a very strong person of who knows how to make decisions in life, who is very strong and in relation with energies, strong energies. It's not a very emotional person, to be very honest. You might meet someone who is very practical rather than emotional, who is very energetic, who is very creative, and but you cannot just hold on to the past. You cannot. You have to move on. You have to start accepting the changes in your life. You have to, Capricorns, because it won't help you in future. Why the Page of Swords is here in the future energies? Wheel of Fortune. Yes, strong changes coming your way. Two of Wands and Two of Pentacles. I see that you are becoming very busy in the coming time, and it's like a lot of changes you might see. Lots and lots of changes you will see around you. Communication, yes, possible increase in communication with people. You will try to meet someone new. Yes, somebody is coming towards you, whether you accept this person or not, because you are still holding on to the past. So you have to accept, you have to let go of the past, then only you can continue in future. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.